Hi everyone, welcome back to the question answer discussion session. Today's question is, which of the following is not an antigen presenting cell? A choice DCs, B choice Langerhans cells, C choice T cells, D choice B cells, and E choice all of the above. Now before coming to the answer, let's understand what is this antigen presenting cells, abbreviated as APC, antigen presenting cells. They're also called as phagocytic cells. They also phagocytic cells. Now, as you know, the primary function of this antigen presenting cell is to capture the microbes. They capture the microbes, or it could be antigens also. They capture these antigens. Then they transport it to the lymphoid organs. They transport these microbes to the lymphoid organs. After this, it processes these antigens, these antigen presenting cells. They process these microbes or antigens. Finally, they display these microbes or processed antigens or processed microbes. They display them to the lymphocytes. And that's how the immune activation or immune suppression would happen. And this is the normal function of an antigen presenting cells, also called as phagocytic cells. Now coming to the important examples of antigen presenting cells, the important ones are DCs. The important examples are DCs, also called as dendritic cells. DCs are abbreviated as dendritic cells are abbreviated as DCs, dendritic cells. Another example of antigen presenting cells, which is represented by this symbol called as macrophages. So macrophage is also an important antigen presenting cells, macrophages. Then another example for antigen presenting cell is Langerhans cells. So they are also antigen presenting cells. Another example is B cells. So these are the very common examples for antigen presenting cells: dendritic cells, macrophages, Langerhans cells, and B cells. Out of this, the most efficient antigen presenting cells are the most efficient, and if the question is the most efficient antigen presenting cells, the answer is DCs and macrophages. Okay, so DCs and macrophages are the most efficient antigen presenting cells. Now coming to the question, which of the following is not an antigen presenting cell? So DC is an antigen presenting cell, Langerhans cells are antigen presenting cells, B cells are antigen presenting cell. So definitely the answer would be T cells. They are not an antigen presenting cell. The correct answer is C choice, T cells. Thank you.